how to create account in Delta Force. Let's begin with the video. To begin with, open the Delta Force game and make sure you are on the welcome screen. From here, you will see several ways to create your account, including Facebook, Google, and email. You can choose whichever platform you prefer. For instance, if you want to sign up using your email, just tap on the email option. After that, type in the email address you want to use. After entering it, hit the Get Code button. At this point, a verification code will be sent to your mail, so head over to your email and copy that code. Now paste the code into the verification box. After verifying your email, simply press the register button and agree to the terms and policy. Finally, your account will be created instantly, and that's all. This is how to create an account in Delta Force.